Hello, BrandsPickled is here. Today we are here with a new Minecraft server tutorial video, and today's plugin we are doing is called the BuildBattlePro plugin. This plugin is basically a mini games type of plugin, and basically it allows you to set an arena and have multiple plots inside, and inside them plots it will allow players to build a certain object or a certain theme, and after a certain amount of seconds all the players have to vote of what basically they built, and basically everyone will vote, and the person with the most votes will basically win and get a reward out of it. This plugin is a premium plugin. It does cost €9.99. But yes, if we just go to the Spigot page, like so. Oh no, that is not the thing what you want to look at. That's what you want to look at. That was some trippy stuff. Okay, so we got here the BuildBattlePro, and basically it's ran on 1.8 to 1.12, and it's the most advanced build battle plugin on Spigot, which is correct. Tested on 1.8 to 1.12. And it's just basically saying thank you for 100 buyers, and it's made by Jury Free, and it just tells you about the plugin here of what it is. So basically a building style mini game. If you need to contact him for any questions, bugs, ideas, or need help, go to his Discord, go to his Spigot, or to his Skype, as well as you can comment in the video below, or you can go to the discussion page there. So, there is a big features list, so I'm going to go through this, so expect me to talk a lot here. So, it's got multiple versions, so 1.8 to the newest type of new version of Minecraft, to 1.12.2, that's what we're currently on. You can set up multiple arenas, as well as set it up as the Bungee Cores servers. So, for the Bungee Cores, you can join through basically join players into first available arena, so you can automatically join the arena what's empty. Send players back to a certain server, so if someone wants to leave leave the arena, they can basically leave and they'll go back to the fallback server, basically the lobby or the hub. Then you've got your automatically server message of the day changing, so if you've got, like, say example, we've got 10 arenas running for build battle, blah blah, and then that number will keep changing, etc. Easy to set up, which I'll be showing you, and then you can translate everything to your own language. Set up the game length to your own like, fancy scoreboard, join arenas through GUI, no limit of creating the arenas, command whitelist, so you can basically whitelist commands, so that means you can allow commands when you're playing in the arena. Unlimited themes, solo and team modes, party mode, so you can have a certain amount of players in a party to join the arena. Change the floor, but you need citizens for this. I was showing you all of them apart from the points API. But the next one is a leaderboard, so this will show you your wins, place blocks, particles, and how many you played, and then that's it. Really easy to update, as well as easy to set up. Same with your signs, it's easy to set up for the signs. I'll be showing that in this video as well. Basically the signs will allow you to right click and join the arena, as well as that will constantly be getting updated of how many players is connected. When the server is playing, the block behind will basically go red, but when it's free and it's in the lobby, it will go green. Okay, then you got your reports, so if anyone's doing wrong reports, so if someone's doing like rude builds or racist builds, you can add a reporting system. You got your placeholders, basically this is for holographics, so again this is what you use. And then your rewards, so after gaining rewards, so you got your points or you got your vault, so your money. So if you got any other plugins which you want to configure it with, you can just basically do there. Then you got your voting theme, so you can select what theme you want to play. So what build, so that will be showing you in the video, as well as there's a screenshot below I'll be showing you. And then you got your player stats, so you can connect it with your database, which is an SQL database, or you got your flat file. So I recommend you to use a flat file if you've got a small server, which hasn't got a lot of players on. But if you've got a bigger server, use an SQL database, because if you've booting up a server and you've got 100 people on a flat file, it's going to take quite a bit to boot that server up, because you need to read every single file. So one UUID has got 5, is that 5, sorry? Yeah, that's 5 type of data in that file. So imagine 100 of that, and so yeah, it's going to take quite a while to build up. And it's got your smart handling system on auto resets, as well as advanced in-game build options. So this basically allows you to change the floor instantly, the time, the weather, the particle. You can clear the plots, you decorate heads, and you can fully customize the categories, menus, heads, and fancy menu. I'll be showing you that as well. And then you've got your cool effects. So you got your voting sounds, you got your cooldown sounds, you got your winning fireworks, you got your XP bar, which is a countdown during voting. You got your titles, so your titles and subtitles. And then you've got your green particles around the plots when you're setting up the arena, which I'll be showing you that as well. And now to the commands. So we got the player commands here. So you got your arena commands. I thought I was going to sneeze, that's why there's a pause then. You got your player commands. So arena commands is to join arena. So join, then join arena. Or you got your BB leave, so means leave the arena. Or you've got BB list, which shows you all the arenas. So as well as you can type in /BB, and that will open up your GUI. And then you've got your help command, and then you've got your stats. And then you've got your party. To make your own party, you basically just do the following. So it's create a party, invite players, accept, decline, leave. And then you've got your leaderboard commands to how to set the leaderboards up. And then your arena commands, I'll be showing you again. And then you've got your NPC, export stats, help, and reload. So your export stats is basically if you've got a flat file and you've been running flat file quite a while and you've realised you've got more players and the server's been quite slow to boot up because of the files. If you do BB and you basically set up your database after, because you've got a database now, but you want to transfer the files from your flat file to your MySQL, you basically use the following command, which is BB export stats, and that will take all the stats to your database. And then you've got your permissions, so you've got the admin, you've got all the commands, what the plugin does, and then you've got create the arenas, and then you've got party, player. So for default, you should give them to for default players. And then you've got your set theme, sorry. I thought that's, for some reason, that set home just went to my head then. But then you've got your start, stop, and bypass. And then you've got a French tutorial video, but this is an English video, what I'm doing right now. And then make sure your server is running on Java and above. So if you're not sure and you're with a hosting provider, ask them. If you've got your own dedicated server, basically just open your Putin. If you're using Putin, if you've got to use another program, just basically use the following, well, not the following command line, but use the command line, which you'd basically just Google and see what version of Java you're running. If you're running lower, just upgrade it. I recommend it, because many plugins are using Java 8 now. But here's the arena setup. I'll be showing you that in a minute. And then you've got your screenshot, so you got your theme voting. So you can see here that when he clicks on the sign, you can see that the answer is what theme. So beer, TV, money, fall, etc. And then when he clicks on it, it goes to 100% because there's only one person, and as well all the glass goes to green. And now that's what the leaderboards look like, and that's what the NPC. Then you've got your heads, and then you've got your sign, and then that's when the game's about to start. And then if you're selecting a team, it will show like that. So open a GUI, and then that's how it looks like when you connect. So you've got your time in the center, and then basically your theme. And then this is your plot option, so this is when you can actually right click the NPC, and then you can grow stuff what goes to the max of the plot. And then you've got the decorations of the voting. This is when you vote into people's plots, and then it tells you the builder, and then it tells you the winner. And then your config file, which I'll be going through with you. You got your messages, and then for developers, and then you've got your terms of service. So let's go to Minecraft, and let's go and set up an arena. So let's get our world edit. Oh, that's not wand. So let's get our wand out, and basically when you buy this plugin, you will get a world folder, what's got automatically an arena for you, which is very nice from the developer. So if you are using Multiverse, you basically just import that by mv import, and then the world's name. So it was called BuildBattlePro map, and basically then put normal after, and you can see that I've already got it, which you already seen when I typed in the list. So if I just teleport to that place now, like so. And you can see here, let me change the speed up a bit, and you can see here that I've got some arenas. That floor was different because I was testing the plugin earlier and messing around with the config file. But if I just quickly actually do this quickly, speed 1, I just need to make a rough height of the arena. So that, and then let me just copy that. Where is it? That's what I wanted. There we go. And I copied it from this corner, I think. Oh no, I didn't. I copied it from this corner. Whoops, it is it. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the arenas and the plots. So firstly, you need to set up the arena. So if I was you, go to your lowest point and do type --pos1, and then you go to your second point, so over here, --pos2, and then let me just get my wand out anyway. Then type in the following: BB. 1 second. BB create. Then the name, and then solo or team. So I'm just going to press enter. It will say error. So that's what the command is. So BB creates name, solo or team. So this is going to be a solo. And you can see there it's successfully set up for solo. The next following thing is to set up the arena. So if we just break one of them, let's click the 2 regions. So you get your wand, world edit wand, and select corner to corner, the height as well. So that's why I've done it that height. And then you type in the following: BB add plot, and then the arena name, say BB, and you can see that it will show you the region effect. With this weird slimy green colour all the way around, which shows you the arena. But for now, I'm going to be setting up 2 arenas, 2 plots, because I'm not going to do all 8 what comes with the map. So let me break that down as well. And then when we're here, might as well set up our NPCs. So to set up your NPCs, you go to a certain area, so I'm going to put it in the corner over here, and you type in BB add NPC. Literally that easy, and it will spawn an NPC. That name will change to Build Battle Change Floor, which can be changed in game, in the config file. Sorry. There we go. And there we go. And now if we need to set up the arena, not the arena, the lobby. Sorry, that's not what I wanted. We wanted to go home. Okay. Let's teleport to this guy. That's my test dummy. So we need to make our lobby. So BB set lobby, and then the arena. The hell is that noise outside? But anyway, set arena, then the arena name, so BB. There we go. And now to set up a sign. So we do square bracket, close the square bracket with BB lowercase, and then your arena name, so mine's BB. And you can see that a wall goes behind it, and you can see 0 out of 0 and build battle. You think of why it says 0 out of 0, it's because you need to reload the plugin or just restart the server. Like that. And when I basically connect to it, it will say there, player BrandsPickled has joined, blah blah blah, and we can use a bed to leave. And you can see that 1 out of 2, that's how quick it updates, and there we go. So now, if we go to our config file, so if we just flick screens, file, plugins, build battle, and if we go to arena, you can see the minimum players, the mode is solo, and then how many plots, and then the team size. So you don't really need to edit that. And now your config file. So here we've got the prefix. So we could have changed this to a light green, so brands, and then we could have changed it to a reddish, so battle, and then we're going to change it to like that. And now we want the stats to be on our server. We're not going to put it on a database today. It's not bungee cord, so we're going to keep it as false. Particles, we do want particles. Rewards, so we are using volt, so we change that to true. First place will get 500, second place will get 250, and third place will get 100. And now you got your arena time, so you got your lobby time. It's 30, game time is 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes. Voting time is 13. You got your voting for themes, we want to keep that true. We got your end time is 10. Then your default floor is birch, so we're going to change this to let me have a look quickly. Let's change the floor to, let's change it to 24, which is sandstone. Arena chat is true, so that's individual arena will have its own chat. And then you've got your scoreboard, and then you've got your report, so we need to change that to true. So if anyone's building something racist or just not appropriate, we just type in the report. And then we do show vote in subtitle, automatically grow. Basically, when you plant a sapling, it will grow automatically. Restrict players' movement. Remove players after game, so they're not stuck in the arena. End command, so eco give win 100, so that will give them 100. And then you got your particles, and your allow commands, so this will allow you to type in the build battle command. Restrict a command, so restricts a block, sorry. This blocks the basically the block. It won't allow you to place the block. So if I place in, I don't know, let's say 112, which is a never brick break. The actual square brick, not the item. And then your theme, so we're going to add gaming onto there. So make sure to have that line and type in gaming. So this is your theme, so whatever they're building. And we're just going to change this to brands battle change floor. And the type is a villager. So we can change the mob if we wanted to, so a zombie if you wanted to. But yeah, let's do that. Next one is your heads. Again, you can customize this. So you got your mob heads, you've got your food, you've got your symbols and grass. So I'm gonna add a head, right? So if we just copy this and we'll put this at the top of the mob heads, and we're gonna add my head. BrandsPickled. So the person's name, the player's name. So that's actually a player's name, and then we'll just edit the description, BrandsPickled's head. Save, and that's how to add the head. And then your leaderboards, I ain't set the leaderboards, but this will show you the location of the leaderboards. And then same with your signs, and now we're going to edit the message YML. So if I copy all that, because you can see it says build battle quite a bit in there. So if we just open our text pad, notepad, not text pad, notepad, and if we go to the top here and find that and do Control F, you can see here it's already got Brands Battle there for me. So firstly, I know that doesn't say Pro, there's some what says Pro, so edit the Pro ones first and then edit the Build Battle ones next, like so. Not save that, don't need to save that. Control A it, Control C it, Control V it, like so. Save that and go back. And now, if we just restart the server now, and we're just gonna quickly just wait till the server comes back up. So if we just quickly flick that up, and we'll just wait for a second. He's not on that server, what are you lying? There we go. Oh dear. Let's wait for it all to build up. Nearly there, so slow the citizens. Fault, and there we go. I'm not companion cube, the other one's companion cube, thank you very much. So there's that, son. And let me load the other guy in. There we go. Let me check if the recording's going okay, because we've got 2 Minecrafts open so it doesn't mess up. Okay, so now it says Brands Battle with the arena name, lobby, and 2. So if I just type in BB now, Brands Battle, and you can see that there, and that's going to still be the same because that's part of the plugin. And we need to set up the leaderboards. So if we just do the following, so if you don't know the certain leaderboards, we need that, thank you. If you don't know the certain leaderboards, so if we type in BBLB crate, and it's telling you what type, so if you just type A like that, it will show you basically all the types. So we're going to put wins here. You don't need to put it all in caps like I just did. Like that, it's got 0 for me. Because I've connected to the arena already by going into the lobby, so it's picked up by that. So there we go, there's that. So that's place blocks. So we put played there. Did I already put played? And that's wins, okay. And then we got the particles. Placed like so. And that is how you set up the scoreboards. The leaderboard, sorry, not the scoreboards. So if I go and connect to that, and if I quickly go to the other account and bring them over and connect them, so you can see there as well on the leaderboard. I know it's just like a start menu right now. On the leaderboard, you can see there that it's starting in 30 seconds, as well as you got your Brands Battle. It's on solo mode, and then your server website. So I ain't set it up here. So you can leave the arena by right clicking this, and this arena is about to start in 10 seconds. In this game, sorry. So you got your prefixes set up here, how I've designed it. 3, 2, 1, and we're going to get teleported to our own arena. And here's the voting system. So we got winter, car, TV, school, beach. So we're going to go with TV, and you can see there's 100% there. So if I vote for car on the other one, and you can see that the voting system went for car because it was a 50-50. And you can see that I've got 5 minutes. That video. I hope that helped you guys out. If you got any problems, please hook me up in the comment section, or just literally message the developer. And yeah, peace.